I don't know about you, but sometimes it's just really annoying that I have all these little crumbs around my desk or maybe on my desk or in my car, and I have to lug my big vacuum out to deal with it. And that is why I'm super excited to have this little Fanttik mini vacuum, because this is so much easier to deal with for those little times you want to tidy things up. You don't want to lug the big vacuum out. And I have a 2-story house here and I have to haul it upstairs. So this is perfect for all those little messes. This thing is only 1.2 pounds. Easy to use. You can store it like in a desk drawer, so small. But don't let the size fool you. It does pack a punch. It does have this little brushless motor in here. It has 2 suction modes, and you can switch between low and high depending on the mess. The other thing I love is you don't have a cord, and nobody wants cords anymore. So you have a little charging port there. It takes about 2 hours to fully charge, and it will run for 30 minutes on a charge. Now it does come with this hose, which is handy to get in little corners. This is called the pet brush. So if you get hair on your sofa, you want to do a quick cleanup before the guests come over, there you go. That's how you're going to do it with this pet brush. See those little, I guess those bristles? They're made of kind of a silicone rubber. It's going to help pull that hair off your sofa or couch right before those guests show up, and they don't get it all over their clothes. You also get this attachment, and this is really handy when you're cleaning off maybe your keyboard. You get those little crumbs in there, and it's soft. It's not going to hurt anything. They do also give you the charging cord. You don't always get those. They also give you this. It gives you a little more reach right out of the main unit here, and that can get you down into some corners. Now to open this up, you're just going to twist it, and then here you're going to have where all of the debris will collect. You're going to take this and twist it and lift it out, and that's your little filter basket. They do also give you this brush here to help clean this off. You're going to open that up, and you can clean this off as well. So gives you a lot of options. Those actually fit perfectly. Look how nicely that fits in there. Now if you're just going to empty it, it's filled up a little bit, and you notice the debris in here. You don't need to clean the filter. You're just going to take this little latch, open it like so, click the button, and then empty it out. I just love this vacuum. It's so versatile. It does everything I need it to do. It's compact. I can keep it in my office, put it in my car, have it for those everyday little jobs. You just don't want to pull the big vacuum out. So definitely check it out.